Today we cook this egg place is very healthy. 3-4 minutes, that's all you have to do. We're gonna chop some tomato, chop it into little pieces. The next thing you do, you're gonna use silicone mold like that. And then just pour some oil in here, like a tablespoon. And then just brush them around so the egg don't stick and easy for you to clean, okay? Put 4 eggs in here. Tomato you just put in, and then put all of the cheese in here. 1.5 cups, 3/4 cup of cheese, mixed cheese, whatever cheese you like, shredded already. Put some salt and pepper. The first pepper, a little bit of salt. If, you don't need a lot, just a little bit. Some milk. Just add a little bit of milk up to here, like 1/2 cup. Mix them together like that. Break the egg out. Mix all of this ingredient together. Partially break the egg so it doesn't splatter in your microwave when you cook. Okay. Put this in the microwave oven. You can put a cover on. If not, it's okay. You make it 2 minutes first, and then you come back and check on that. So after 2 minutes, it's still wet, but you don't want to leave it like that and continue cooking because it will dry the egg on the edge out. You use the same fork, you just stir it in like that. This time we're gonna cook it. I don't know how strong your microwaves are, but let's do 3 minutes for this time because it's very wet. 2 minutes first, and now it's 3 minutes. Goodness, it looks so beautiful. Wow, there's a little bit of liquid here, so just stir it in the middle like that. 2 more minutes. I think that will be it. Back into it, 2 minutes. Completely cooked. To make sure that the eggs are coming out like that with your fork, so it can stay in one pieces. So we'll place our egg here, turn it over. We're going to get these tomato that we use for decoration, the raw tomato, going to be on there as well. We're going to place a little bit of salsa on here, and then we're going to place our waffle right next to it, and our English muffin as well. And then we place our brand of mint on top, just like that. Breakfast at any time of the day. Tomato quiche with mint on top. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you're happy and healthy.